In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the new Revvl 6 for free. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe this Labor Day weekend. We got some news from T-Mobile. So it says T-Mobile's newest 5G Revvl phone is now free with damaged device trade-ins. And a huge shout out to Phone Arena for actually providing this article, and a huge shout out to Adrian Diakonscu for actually writing this article. If you guys want to read this on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But it says T-Mobile has a lot of great phones. You can get a crazy low price or even completely free of charge with various strings attached. But while the Un-carrier's own brand Revvl 6 and 6 Pro 5G don't exactly stand out with their design or specs, a killer new deal makes the two 5G enabled mid-rangers simply irresistible. Released just last month at already reasonable listed prices, $169.99 and $219.99 respectively, the T-Mobile Revvl 6 and Revvl 6 Pro can now be yours for $0 and $50 with literally any trade-in. So it's going to show you what you can get right now, but we have a screenshot right here. It shows the T-Mobile Revvl 6 5G. You can get that for $0, so you get $170 off, 100% off with a broken device. And as you guys can see, we get $170 off the T-Mobile Revvl 6 Pro 5G as well, the bigger brother of this device. It says we're targeting smart and dumb phones, working or not, with or without visible damage of any kind. Does your old handset not power on anymore? T-Mobile will take it off your hands and give you a $169.99 credit towards a Revvl 6 5G or Revvl 6 Pro 5G purchase with no questions asked. So we have a pretty good price on both these devices right now. It says, is the screen cracked or completely shattered? No problem. Does it have liquid damage? Bring it on. Is it stolen? Obviously, they're not going to take in any stolen devices. But otherwise, you can truly give Magenta anything and get a decent new Android smartphone for free in the process. You don't even have to open a new line of service, and apparently all plans are eligible for this phenomenal limited time offers. So really good offer right here, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. It says one of the very few things you need to keep in mind before pulling the trigger is that a $35 assisted or upgrade support charge may be required for in-store purchases and customer service calls regarding this deal, making the Revvl 6 5G technically not completely free. You can of course easily avoid that by ordering the 6.5-inch device online or opting for its bigger, slightly better 6.82-inch brother at $50. With HD plus screen resolution and MediaTek Dimensity 700 processing power, the two are not exactly among the best phones money can buy right now, but at these reduced prices and extremely easily accessible prices, their value looks essentially unrivaled, at least on paper. The Revvl 6 Pro 5G, mind you, comes with a pretty hefty 5000 mAh battery and a quad rear-facing camera system in tow, headlined by a 50 megapixel primary shooter as well as a decent 6 GB of RAM count paired with a generous 128 GB of internal storage space. What more could you possibly desire from such an ultra low cost handset? So appreciate you for writing that article, Adrian, and shout out to Phone Arena for actually providing that. But I think this is a really good deal. $50 for a phone, trading in a broken smartphone or broken dumb phone, and $0 for the $169 regular Revvl 6. So really cool stuff right here. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are going to be taking advantage of this deal. Yeah guys, hopefully this video did help you. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to be talking about a ton more phones. I will be actually getting the Galaxy A23 5G tomorrow, so that is a device you guys need to look forward to. I'm really excited about that, but hopefully you guys have a great weekend. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.